Turkey's fast-growing recycling industry, which processes nearly 500,000 tons of plastic a year, is accused in an 88-page Human Rights Watch report of threatening the lives of workers, many of whom are among Turkish society's most vulnerable.
Plastics contain toxic chemical additives, things like dioxins and phthalates that can cause cancer, reproductive system harms, as well as short-term health impacts like asthma and skin ailments, things like that. And we documented that there are quite a bit of child labor in plastic recycling facilities, despite legal protections for children working in such hazardous conditions, as well as lots of migrants and refugees working in plastic recycling facilities without adequate protections.
The report also says most plastic recycling factories are located in the heart of Adana and Istanbul, two of Turkey's most densely populated cities, where locals grow up in the shadow of these factories.
We spent a lot of time in the noise, the smell, the filth. This is how our childhood passed. I am 34, and now I have problems with my lungs.
The recycling industry maintains that there are strict regulations that are enforced to protect both workers and residents. But the Human Rights Report claims the regulations are often not enforced and that there aren't enough regulators. So far, the government has not responded to the report. The Turkish recycling industry is booming, with recycled plastic even used in high-end fashion. With Turkey now the European Union's main recycler of plastics, the Human Rights Watch report is also calling on the EU to act.
So since 2018, when the Chinese government banned plastic waste imports, roughly 450,000 tons of plastic waste from the EU has been sent to Turkey each year. We'll be following up with decision makers in the EU to kind of push them to have stronger regulations to respect the rights of people who are in countries impacted by European waste exports.
Plastic recycling is a central part of environmental efforts for a greener world. According to Human Rights Watch, those among Turkey's most vulnerable are paying the price for that aspiration. Dorian Jones, VOA News, Istanbul.